Today I am going to share a special beef boti kebab recipe. So delicious and flavorful. Beef 1 kilogram. Without fat and bones. First step, marination. Papaya paste 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Mix well. Cover and keep aside. Masala preparation. Green and black cardamom 3 pieces. Cloves 5/6 pieces. Black peppercorns 1/4 teaspoon. Shaw cumin seeds 1/2 teaspoon. Nutmeg 1 small and mace 2/3 pieces. Grind it. Done. Add prepared masala. Ginger paste 1 tablespoon. Garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Green chili paste 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Yogurt 3 tablespoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Crushed coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Cover and rest for overnight. After overnight, oil 3 teaspoon. Fresh coriander leaf 2 tablespoon. Orange food color 1/4 teaspoon. Mix again. Beef put in a stick. Spread the oil over the pan. Fry 10 to 12 minutes on medium-high heat. Flip. Brush oil. Fire up to minutes for smoky flavor. Tortilla. Salad. Beef boti kebab on top. Take off sticks. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.